How to fix HVCI-enabled error in Valorant on Windows 11. Hey everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the HVCI-enabled error in Valorant on Windows 11. This error occurs because Riot's Vanguard anti-cheat system conflicts with Windows security-based virtualization. So if your game won't start because of it, follow along step by step to get it working. Alright, let's get started. First, head down to the search box in your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. In that search box, type Core Isolation and open it. You should see it appear under Best Match. Once the Core Isolation window is open, look for the section that says Memory Integrity. This is the key. If the switch is turned off, that's what's causing the HVCI error in Valorant. All you need to do is click the switch to turn it on. If you don't see the memory integrity option, it means your hardware virtualization is turned off. You'll need to enable it in your BIOS. There are lots of tutorials online showing exactly how to do this safely. Once you've enabled it, restart your PC. After your computer reboots, open Valorant and check if the HVCI error is gone, and that's it. This simple step should fix the problem, and you'll be able to launch and play Valorant without any issues. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're still running into problems, drop a comment below. I'll do my best to help you out.